Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a compact luxury SUV that has been completely reimagined for the modern driver. Lexus has truly stepped up its game with this model, blending cutting-edge technology, striking design, and a performance package that promises a dynamic driving experience. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV that balances elegance, comfort, and sporty flair, then the 2026 NX deserves your attention. Let's take a closer look. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the front end of the 2026 Lexus NX immediately demands attention. Lexus' signature spindle grille has been redesigned for a bolder, more aggressive presence. The grille's intricate mesh pattern adds depth and sophistication, while the sharp, angular LED headlights give the NX a focused, almost predatory gaze. The daytime running lights are integrated seamlessly, flowing into the body lines for a cohesive look. The lower bumper is sculpted with precision, featuring subtle chrome accents that enhance the premium feel without overwhelming the design. The hood itself is contoured with strong, muscular lines, hinting at the performance capabilities under the surface. From the side, the NX showcases a sleek, coupe-like profile that breaks away from traditional boxy SUV designs. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, creating a sporty silhouette while maintaining a spacious interior. Prominent character lines run along the doors, emphasizing motion even when the vehicle is at a standstill. The wheel arches are slightly flared, giving the NX a planted stance, and the alloy wheels are offered in multiple designs, including striking multi-spoke options that perfectly complement the overall aesthetic. The side mirrors are aerodynamically shaped and feature integrated turn signals, adding both style and functionality. The window line rises subtly toward the back, accentuating the vehicle's dynamic posture. Moving to the rear, the NX delivers a modern, sophisticated look. The tail lights are sleek and extend horizontally across the tailgate, creating a wide, confident stance. Lexus has incorporated a continuous light strip in some trims, which adds a futuristic touch and enhances nighttime visibility. The rear bumper is sculpted and sporty, with chrome accents highlighting the dual exhaust outlets. Subtle design cues, like a small integrated spoiler and sharp creases along the tailgate, enhance aerodynamics and add to the overall premium appearance. The rear hatch opens to reveal a surprisingly spacious cargo area, making the NX as practical as it is stylish. Interior. Step inside, and the 2026 Lexus NX continues to impress. The cabin feels like a blend of modern technology and meticulous craftsmanship. High-quality materials are everywhere. Soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and tasteful metallic accents give the interior a luxurious ambience. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with multiple power adjustments and memory settings, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The center console features a large touchscreen infotainment system with crisp graphics and intuitive controls, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Lexus' own navigation suite. A heads-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions. Ambient lighting, available in multiple colors, enhances the mood, while panoramic sunroof options let natural light fill the cabin, creating an airy, open feel. The rear seats are spacious, with excellent legroom and adjustable recline, making it a comfortable ride for passengers of all sizes. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with the turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine producing impressive horsepower, paired with the smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking eco-friendly performance, Lexus offers a hybrid variant that combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, delivering both efficiency and a refined, quiet ride. Handling has been significantly improved over previous models, Thanks to an updated suspension system and enhanced chassis rigidity, steering is precise, offering a sporty feel without compromising comfort. The all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in various driving conditions, while driving modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, and eco settings, tailoring the ride to your mood or environment. Overall, the NX strikes an impressive balance between everyday usability and spirited driving excitement. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Lexus NX is positioned competitively within the luxury compact SUV segment. The base model starts around $45,000, offering an excellent suite of standard features including the latest safety tech, premium infotainment, and luxury finishes. Moving up to higher trims adds advanced driver assistance systems, larger wheels, upgraded leather interiors, and more premium sound systems, with top-tier models reaching close to $60,000. The hybrid variants typically carry a slight premium over the gas models but deliver long-term efficiency benefits that can offset the initial cost. Considering the combination of style, technology, performance, and brand prestige, the NX offers strong value for those seeking a luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on features or driving experience. Wrapping up, the 2026 Lexus NX is a remarkable entry in the compact luxury SUV market. It merges bold, modern styling with refined interior, cutting-edge technology, and versatile performance options. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling twisty back roads, the NX feels confident and composed. Lexus has managed to create an SUV that appeals to both the practical-minded and the style-conscious driver. For Turbo Trendz TV viewers looking for a luxury SUV that balances innovation, performance, and elegance, the 2026 NX is definitely worth a closer look. That's it for today's review of the all-new 2026 Lexus NX. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future car reviews. We'll continue bringing you the latest in automotive news, performance insights, and in-depth looks at the hottest vehicles hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.